Hey y'all. Okay, the first thing that I did was I did go on ahead and put on my foundation, concealer, setting powder, as well as my contouring, which I used a shimmery white for the highlighting, and then I used a bronzy color for the contouring. I also used a very light pink blush from the apples of my cheeks up. Now I'm going to take this brown eyeliner, shaping my eyebrows from very thick to very thin at the ends, and then I'm going to brush it out with my brow comb, like so. Okay, now I'm going to use this shimmery white cream eyeshadow to put all over my eyelids and bring it up just a bit. After that, I'm going to add this blue, dark blue eyeshadow and bring it up a little higher than usual. After that, using an angle eye brush, I'm going to use this black eyeshadow to be as close as it can to my eyelids and below the waterlines and smear it a bit. After that, I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner to create high arched cat eyes. Then I'm going to use my pencil liner to go over both waterlines. And then I'm going to add my false eyelashes, like so. Okay, now for the lips, I'm just going to put on some dark red lipstick and some dark red lip gloss. After that, I'm going to use my liquid eyeliner to put a star and heart shape on the side of my face here, like so. And there we go. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to click that like button Share and subscribe to MissStarTv to see more videos like this. The details on the little 80s kit that I'm wearing right now, which is this lovely little headband, these earrings, and of course the gloves. I'll put that information in the description box below. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please leave those in the comment section. Don't forget to follow MissStarTv, that's me, on Twitter, G+, and Instagram for updates and more. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Oh, and it would be totally awesome if you guys was to follow us on our Patreon. If you support MissStarTv, you'll be a part of our Star TV family and get some awesome perks. So, again, you guys, thanks. Bye-bye.